Sika Comfortfloor. Decorative, comfortable flooring. Liquid applied, so custom-made for you without disturbing joints. Comfortable yet durable, colorful, and extremely easy to maintain. Proper floor maintenance increases hygiene and ensures that your floor keeps its silky matte appearance and friction. This promotes safety, optimal performances, and durability. To ensure this is done the proper way, Sika looked for a global partner in cleaning. Diversey for a cleaner, healthier future. Ask your supplier for Diversey materials. What doesn't get on the floor doesn't need to be removed. It is important to have an entrance map to keep the dirt out. Regular removal of sand and dust greatly improves the durability of your Sika Comfortfloor. Manual standard wet cleaning can be done regularly by mopping. Use a Diversey pH-neutral detergent that does not leave a residue. Ask your supplier for Diversey materials. Machine standard wet cleaning can be done regularly by auto scrubber or low-speed single-disc machine. Use the Jontech 300 SD pH neutral or Jontech Tensol detergent that does not leave a wax film and has low foaming properties when used in a scrubbing machine. For daily cleaning, use a red Diversey polyester floor pad with high dirt absorbing properties for removal of dirt and stripes without polishing the floor. Food and drinks can be spilled on the floor. To keep your floor in the best conditions, clean up spilled items as soon as possible. Now you have seen how easy a Sika Comfortfloor can be maintained, you can focus on other activities.